Let's see what we got here. Hopefully it's better than yesterday, because yesterday it was it was not the best. I'll just say that. But let's go.
5, 4.
Oh my!
3.
This guy always does the
2,
most.
1.
What are we doing? Like, oh God! I get mad when I see him. Every time I see him, it's like, wow, I just get angry. Yeah, this chopped final boss. All right, gang, you still have time to delete this. Yeah, what are we doing? What the hell is this? All right. Dude, like, blow your fucking nose.